Which time of day do you think caterpillars work?
I think in the night. Yeah.
Why?
Because there's not much sun.
And they would just dry out if it was very sunny.
Yeah.
Because their bodies are soft and squishy, aren't they?
Yeah.
You know, same with the snails. What do they need? What do the snails need to move?
The sliminess, like, I think. They're like good.
They need it to be not like that warm and dry. They need to be wet and cold.
Exactly, they need it to be wet and cold. So when do you think they normally come out?
Night.
And after what?
After it's dark and when it's cold.
Yeah, and you mentioned after what?
It's wet.
Yeah. It's because as soon as it rains, that's the best time. You go out in the garden, you'll see the snails. They come out because they can go, yes, I can. It's like skiing, you know? Whereas if it's hot and dry, they're like, you know, they're just going to dry up and fall down. So that's really good detective work because you're thinking about when do they operate, when do they go out, when do they stay home.